I'm gonna have to like that. Yeah. Whoa. All right, I'm sitting here in front of my apartment building and waiting for a taxi. Getting ready to go to the terminal, bus terminal, to take a bus about 45 minutes to a place called Cerro Bravo. It's supposed to be one of the highest hikeable mountains in Antioquia, Colombia. So, got up about 5 this morning. I'm ready to rock and roll. And yeah, let's see what happens. We're gonna make it happen. It's supposed to be about total hike time, about 6 hours and about 15 kilometers. Yeah. So what's the name of this place?
It's called Fredonia.
Hey, we're in Fredonia, chilling out, making some moves, getting ready to go on a hike. Hey, this is Jack. Hey, what's up, bud?
How's it going? How's it going? So our first challenge is up there where that statue is, and then kind of like
we're gonna go to that
level, and then there's a bigger mountain way over there.
I hope so. They said it was difficult, so we need to.
Yeah,
difficult.
It is.
I gotta stretch and do all work. But once we do the roll though.
Yeah, we're gonna all stretch together.
We are? Okay, cool.
Yeah, so
you got like a little program.
Yeah.
Hey guys, if you're in Colombia, you want to do some hiking, this is who you want to talk to. Jack, he's the man. We got a whole routine. Cool. All right, we're starting the hike. What was this, Fredonia? Hey. Yeah. It's about to go down. We're gonna attack a small mountain. See that pole up there? We're about to attack that. Then we're gonna attack a big mountain. It's going down. No fear, no quit. Report to you in a minute. No quit. This is my man Cuba Dave. What up? Okay, let's do it. It's like a finca. We're about to hit the base of this mountain here in a minute. We got a long way to go? Oh yeah, we got a long way to go. We're in no hurry. I got some. There we go. Oh, we got that. We can do it. Easy money. We haven't even. I know. I'm waiting for the hard part.
I'm waiting for the hard part.
Yeah, exactly. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Let's get a close up. What's your name, buddy?
It's so nice to meet you in the forest. Yeah. Yeah, true.
All right, we're going on the last leg to the top. We're on the hard part. It's about to get serious. And we're not taking any breaks until we get to the top. Anybody take a break? Hey, anybody take a break? Hey, we're dragging you up. There's no breaks. You quit, you die. All right, let's get it. Cash. Easy money. Went up a little.
Going up a little hill. Easy money. Oh guys, I got some traffic in the front. Traffic jam. Right, I know. There's nothing stopping me, right? Let's go. Way to get creative. Hey, you quit, you die. You die. Die, work, morir.
Okay.
Way to maneuver, way to maneuver. Hey, I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Whoa. Thank
Is
you.
that the right path?
Hey. Can you do me a favor? I'm gonna come up here. Can you put this back in my bag? Thank you.
On the side or?
Yeah, on the side right there. Thank you. Okay. It's getting a little more challenging, but we're making it happen. Going up the hill. Going up the mountain. No pain, no pain. If you quit, you die. To the top.
The altitude.
Altitude 8,000 feet.
Yeah, I don't remember.
No, I checked.
She checked.
Oh, it is okay.
We have GPS.
Yeah, it's
Was it 2,800 meters?
It's 2575.
25.
2,000?
What's up, Cuba Dave? I thought you were rolling around down on the.
I thought it was higher. I was
valley.
told it was higher.
My time. What's up,
Yeah.
buddy? That's
Okay.
Jack the man Jack here. All right.
Like,
We made it to the top.
or-
We made it to the top of the mountain.
Yeah, Cerro Bravo.
Cerro Bravo. Look at that.
Bravo, like angry.
Hey, we made it. Thank you, brother. Peace.
This is Jack Leathers, who runs Kinkajou Hikes and Adventures. Jack, how long you been doing this?
This is 2.5 years now. We've been going hiking in Medellin and around Medellin.
How does somebody get hooked up with one of these groups?
A lot of us find us through social media, Facebook, Instagram at Antioquia Colombia. And then a lot of people just find out through word of mouth, talking to friends.
Is this what you'd consider difficult, this hike here?
Yeah, this is one of the hardest hikes that we do from Medellin. So this is like a level 4 out of 5. But
I would call it a level 5.
okay, well, you know, to each their own. But
No, this is
but yeah, it's challenging. But you can see everyone smiling, everyone's still
you
alive,
put-
having a good time.
you put on your hikes to level then, so when people look at it, they can see if it's a 2, a 3, or 4, whatever, right?
Yeah, we mix it up. So we have everything from like 2 to 5. So we got some more difficult ones, some easier ones. So a little bit for everybody.
And what's the cost to go on something like this?
No, these group hikes are free. Everyone just pays their own transportation. If you want to contribute something so that the group keeps running, you're welcome to. And then any extra earnings we we have like a couple social project partners that we contribute to.
And a lot of these people that go on these hikes are from all over, right?
Yeah, we have a nice mix of foreigners, and then we have some locals too. So, no, for example, today we got Russians, Germans, Americans, and then some Colombians. So we have a nice balance of locals and foreigners.
Pan shot. Here comes some local Colombians.
That's not really common here.
We have Russia in the house. Germany. Hello. More locals?
Paisas.
Paisas. Okay, continue.
Okay, you want to go hiking, you want to have the ultimate adventure, look up Kinkajou Hikes and Adventures on Facebook and look for Jack Leathers. You're going to have a great time. And this is for everybody, not just for the professional hiker. This is for everybody. So look it up, give it a shot.
Yes, and the link will be in the description below. Okay, let me give you a little. Okay, subscribe. Hey, look, I'm gonna give you a little taste of what you're gonna be looking at once you get to the top of the mountain. Yeah.
Like super dirty, you know, like
Look at that. Yeah. Hey, on 3, subscribe. 1, 2, 3.
Subscribe!
We did it. We conquered it. Oh, not yet? Okay, we're not done yet. No time to celebrate.